disgusting. It smells terrible. Blech. Okay, welcome back everybody. I'll make this short and sweet for you because I'm sweaty and I want to take this makeup off. So, Ipsy for the month of, the Glam bag, the first tier, which is like what, $15 a month now? The Glam bag. I did receive a little thingy. Something did leak, so my bag absolutely stinks, which is funny because the thing that did leak is a perfume body spray type thing, and it is disgusting. It smells terrible, but whatever. Anyways, we'll just get right into it. Pull out the first item. Spam. This thing right here is this glycolic body scrub by Frank Body. The full size is $22, and I will do the math and post it on the screen of what this what the retail is estimated for the travel size, or the travel size, the sample size, that thing, whatever. Anyways, okay, whatever. Okay, how many times can I say whatever? So anyways, body scrub. Second item. Oh, that's so funny. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, you kind of can. Since that one body spray leaked on everything, the dye on the bag leaked and got on everything. Anyways, second item is this 8 Saints Up, the anti. That's a hard, sorry, rewind. 8 Saints Up the anti-aging night cream. Holy moly. Okay, here we go. This thing right here, spam. The box is nice and gooey ooey. So, yeah. So, night cream. Oh, it stings so bad. Night cream. Yeah, I guess I'll open it for you. Might as well. Give you a little swatch, I guess, yeah. Okay, let's see if I can open this. The safety seal does not want to come off. So just white cream. Smells okay, but unfortunately the thing that leaked in here is overpowering everything else, so I can barely smell it. Okay, night cream. On to the third item. So the item I picked out is this Cantano Beauty Hydrating Lip Glaze. Oh, here it is. In blush. Yeah, full size, $20. So, fourth item is this Bare Minerals. Oh god, it stinks so bad. Sorry, this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Liquid Bronzer in Kissin' Mauve. Or Mauve, however you want to say it. Package is nice and disgusting, and it reeks of just pure disgustingness. Cute little bottle. I'll give you a swatch. This is the swatch. The swatch. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Yay, the one makeup item, unless you include the lip gloss. I'll just throw the garbage in the Ipsy bag. And then the last item, which has the last item that caused all of this mess and stinks to high heaven. So they say, bleh, is this pistachio skincare, pistachio, biscotti, eau de parfum. Absolutely disgusting. I don't even want to touch it. It smells so bad. Anyways, sorry for your background noise. I'll have to edit it out so you can't hear it. But is this thing. Here's the body spray, or perfume, if you will. It just, bleh, bleh. Like, not to be dramatic, but bleh. Yeah, that's just, yeah, absolutely. can't even see how like bad and warped this is, but yeah. Blech, 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 blech. Garbage. I'm not gonna even, I don't, just really, either make the bags bigger. Well, one, I'm tired of the drawstrings, but the regular Ipsy bags needed to be either larger or something, because you get such cute Ipsy bags, but they're so small you can only fit like what, a pencil and eraser in it, and then that's it. Like I'm a very excessive girly. I like to carry lots of things with me, cosmetic wise, and the bags aren't big enough. But anyways, enough of me rambling, and yeah, that's it. All right, bye.